Hey everyone! Welcome back to Ceylon Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download free music and sound effects from the YouTube audio library. Completely copyright free. Open your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Now go to YouTube Studio. Select Audio Library. Once you're on the page, you'll see a huge collection of free music and sound effects. You can filter by genre, mood, duration, and attribution. Found the perfect track. Awesome. Here's how to download it. Click the download button next to the song or sound effect. The file will be saved as an MP3 file on your device. You can now use it in your videos. Completely copyright free. Now you know how to download free music and sound effects from the YouTube audio library. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.